Okay, I'll do a quick review on Save-A-Lot's Kaskeys, onion soup, dip, and recipe mix. This is a Save-A-Lot product. Save-A-Lot's got 100% guaranteed in all the products. We got Save-A-Lot pretty close to our house, so we do a lot of shopping there. This is what it looks like when you get it out of the box. You get 2 per box. You get 2 envelopes per box. You get 8 servings per envelope. 20 calories per serving. 0 fat, 0 saturated fat, 0 trans fat, 0 cholesterol, 570 milligrams of sodium, 4 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of dietary fiber, 1 gram total sugars, includes 1 gram added sugars, gram protein, 0 grams vitamin D, 0 grams iron, 10 milligrams of calcium, 0 milligram potassium, whatever that is. I have no idea. Serving size is about a tablespoon or 7 grams. And prepared, it makes 1 cup. Makes about 1 cup, it says. I pretty much use this in cooking. I make soups and stuff. That one add a little extra onion taste to soups and stews, some vegetables and stuff. It's a pretty good product. It's easy to make. All you gotta do is, the onion dip is add a pint of sour cream in a small bowl and mix it all up. Chill and serve it. Like I said, I mostly use it with cooking. Use it in soups and some vegetables and stews and stuff like that. I'm cooking. It's a pretty good little product. This is Save-A-Lot's Kaskeys onion soup dip and recipe mix. You can buy it at your nearest Save-A-Lot store, wherever you live at.